interesting opportunity. Here you can work as an AI trainer, and this is a fully remote job. And no matter what is your current location, you can apply for the job because this is a worldwide job. Here the company's name is Pareto AI, and this is the company's website. And here they have said that apply to join open projects as an AI trainer. So the company offers different projects related to AI training, and you are not required to have any kind of particular experience or particular skill to apply for these jobs. I have mentioned that fill out a general interest survey. So you first need to apply through their website, and then they will be reaching out to you as per their project's need. And then you can complete their screening process. Here they have mentioned that we will notify selected applicants about upcoming projects based on their expertise. If you are selected, get ready to showcase your skills through a fully paid trial. So they will be providing for every project, they will be providing paid training. Then start earning. So get paid twice a month and enjoy competitive pay for your hard work. We offer paid training to familiarize you with the tasks you will be working on and tools you will be using. Although they have not mentioned the pay rate, but they have mentioned that they will be providing competitive pay. And here this job is a part-time remote job, and you can create your own schedule. This will be totally flexible work arrangements, and this will allow you to train AI without compromising on other aspects of your life. You can work on projects alongside your full-time job or as a supplemental income source. So this is a totally part-time or freelance kind of job where you are free to work as much as you want, or you can work at your own schedule, at your own pace, and you can choose the projects that you wish to work upon. And here you will be working with Pareto AI. You will be able to develop your AI training skills as well. Now here are some of the experts that have been already working with Pareto. As I already mentioned that this is a part-time kind of setup, and you can have your own flexible schedule. Now, can I apply from anywhere in the world? So this is a global worldwide job, and they have mentioned that while some projects may have location specific requirements, we offer opportunities available to all experts worldwide. And the company used to match applicants with projects that suit their skills and align with customer budgets. Now, how will I get paid and how often are payments processed? So payments are processed on a weekly basis, and they used to disperse payments through PayPal or unveils. So if you get selected, you just need to create your PayPal account or Wise account, and then you can accept the payments. What documents do I need to submit? So they usually ask for a resume, just a resume. However, for certain projects, they may ask you for certain other documents related to like maybe a law degree or medical degree. So if you apply for certain projects that require any kind of particular documents, you may be required to submit that. And then, will I need to sign an NDA or non-disclosure agreement? Yes. Then what types of training or support do you offer to new data experts? So the company has mentioned, so they have mentioned that we provide comprehensive training materials and ongoing support to ensure you feel confident and proficient in your tasks. You will also get hands-on mentorship by senior prompt engineers and AI experts. So you will be getting training for the projects that you wish to work upon. And then so tasks are allocated depending on researchers' needs, keeping in mind both your preferences and expertise. In some projects, you will have the autonomy to select specific tasks based on your interests and availability. And then what equipment or software do I need to perform tasks? So basic hardware such as a computer or a laptop and a stable internet connection are necessary. We will provide access to the required software in cases where it is needed. So you just need to have a laptop or computer or a desktop and a stable internet connection to start working with the company. Okay, so that's it. Now you can apply from the job from here. If you are interested, go ahead and check out all the details. And if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.